Yo, what's up everybody? So, I think this might be the last video. So from this one, we are going to play things on multiplayer and take a look at what might be working and what might not be working. So let's check it out. So first of all, I've already done some tests, but only did the weapon part. So once you open the project, yours might look different. Okay, this might be connected to float inside this function, and this function might be something like MC, like multicast rotate return value z yaw. So what you just need to do is to drag from this and add a custom event and call it a server rotation return values at yaw, and then go back and call it here, and then instead of connecting this here, just connect it after calling on the server. And then this one is not important. This one was for testing, so you don't need to create this. You don't need to change this. Just leave it as it was. Okay, yeah, so that's all. And then for the last part is I don't know how to make your aim offset rotate smoothly on the client. So there are two ways you can do this. I'm still looking into it. That's the only issue. So uh, when you rotate, you can either not use the yaw value on the other people. Okay, so only the local guy will have the yaw. So only the pitch, everyone will have the pitch. Otherwise, if you connect the yaw, um, which by default it's supposed to be connected this way. By default, it's supposed to be connected this way. Okay, this is me trying to interpolate it and make it to be smoother, of which it's not being smooth on the clients. It's still lagging out. So it only happens when you reach the maximum rotation. Okay, you see that log that. So it's, I don't know if it's only happening on the editor or what. Yeah, so you can either disconnect this all and not use the yaw on other clients, or find a way to, but I'll still be looking into it. If I get a fix for it, I will let you guys know. But so far so good. I would say let me check everything very quick. We try and see if we are going to have any possible issues. So things that might fail is the damage. So let's check the damage for the range weapons first. Let me do not pick up the magazine. So for the equipment, equipments, you can still equip and then equip. Problem with that, you can aim. It knows I am in first person and it knows that I am aiming. Let's try and reload. That I am reloading. Loading. Let's shoot. This guy is being damaged. We shoot next to this tentacle. Tentacle. Yeah, it's identical. So for the range weapon, it's accurate. And the switching is happening without any issues. So reload. Up. So as you can see, the clients both they are seeing the same thing, and this and this is not working, so I will check it out why. Okay. So what else should I check? The melee weapons. It's doing it's refreshing, and it's doing damage. Okay. And yeah, and it's refreshing. So meaning the damage is working. I haven't changed anything so far. Yeah, like this tutorial, it just went smooth. Yeah, I'll say it went totally smooth because I haven't made any special changes like switching from using the notifies from the gun, using the damage notifies or holding notifies from the sequence notifies to montage notifies. Yeah, mostly I usually switch to that because sequence notifies they would sometimes fail to call. But it went so smoothly, man. I'm impressed. And also I can loot. Yeah, I can loot from almost every possible part. Not held item. Oh. Okay. And yeah, working perfectly. Like this went too smooth. Let me respawn this guy. I'll some ammo in it. it went too smooth. Fuck. And not held item. Hmm. Yeah, it went too smoothly. Like, I haven't done any special changes, and on respawn, everything is working. Yeah, so the only issue that is there is the yaw offset. Like, it's not being smooth. I don't know if it's the editor problem, or yeah, I will be looking into it. But in overall, everything is okay, meaning this might be the last video after all. Let me see. Eh, So everything is working. And also for the brick, it's removed. Okay, yeah, maybe I do something uh like this. Save this MP. So I want to like you see how uh yeah, let me first of all debug that. So that be it should be here. All trace. It character rotation is the problem. Let's see. Meaning this is the problem here. So I need to go and run this on server. Yeah, as you can see, it's loading. Okay, now, so um, so yeah, turns out that they need to be called on server, and then the multicast needs to get the info to know what's going on. So that's what will fix the wall trace not working. And then the last part is for the M4, and then the rest of the weapons you can adjust them by yourself. Holdable items, M4, A4 for example. Uh-huh. So let's see. In first person, when we are not aiming, local is good, but not local is bad. Let's offset it. Okay, offset it. So now as you can see, it's being offset a little bit. Let's take it back by -5. And we aim. And we aim this one. Ah, it maintains the same location, same offset. Let's just test it this. Yeah, so that's good. It maintains the same offset, but it's only moving the gun forward. So yeah, so that's what these values here would do. So the rest is up to you to play around with it. So what do I owe you? The only thing that I owe you is maybe an animation for the flashlight, and maybe I do a bow and arrow, and also I have to smoothen the rotation on clients. I don't know why in this one it's looking weird, but it's not supposed to be looking weird. And then in few days later, maybe I will do another one more video on how to set up other weapons, um, which ones, like these ones here. Like these ones, yeah. So in the next tutorial, in the next video, might be long because I will do these weapons on maybe another weapon pack from Kinemation. There's an asset from Kinemation. It's fully supported by my system. You can use it. It's cool. It has cool weapon animations, by the way. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you've reached this far, congratulations. So this video should help you understand how to integrate SGK into Gasp, especially my Gasp, or with any other character. And also, I hope you know what you're doing, because if you do, this is just something to know what to look into. For example, you can either make the you can either make SGK master character to be the child to be the child of the sandbox character here, as you can see. Uh, yeah, be the child of the sandbox character, as you can see, or you can copy everything from the SGK master character. So you come to you will have to add this SGK character interface, damage interface, and SGK interaction interface. And then once you're done, good thing is there are no no, there are no functions. So that's good news. So once you add the interface, you just copy all of this into your character, into the sandbox character, and then you open the interface and you go through each function in the interface and copy and paste everything from from this to that if you decide not to do this way. Okay, yeah, so the disadvantage of doing this way is that for example, I'll just show you, the stop animations won't work. Okay, they will only work on the local clients. This won't work. Yeah, but in overall, everything else is going to work as you would expect it to. That's a guarantee. Okay, yeah, but it's not that noticeable. Plus, also it's good for performance because you're lowering some details. So that's the only thing. Other than that, everything else is going to work. So once you copy, if you decide to do, and then if you decide to not do it the way I'm doing, like making SGK master to be the child of sandbox character, yeah, and then SGK master character, there are some hard reference to it. You will have to get them and replace them with the sandbox character. And yeah, everything else will work. Inside the animation blueprint, I've shown you the things that you should copy. I'm going to delete the things that I added, which should not be there. This one should not be there. Let's see. And then it's variables, procedural aim offset, aim yaw, aim pitch. So this will go to ADS. These ones also, they are the new additions. And then this one goes to SGK. Okay. And that's it. And that's it, Imogen. There is nothing else too fancy that you might need to do apart from any of that. Yeah, so yeah, that's all, guys. Nothing more to say. So I'm going to end it here. You have a good one. Bye bye.